In this video, we will walk through each step on how to start the BCS rear tyne tiller model 732. First, we'll need to disengage the PTO by pulling on the right lower lever. As you can see, pulling it will disengage and pushing it will engage it, and you'll have to engage it when you go to use it later. Shift into neutral with the gear selection on the lower left handle. Any position marked N is neutral. Open the throttle by moving the throttle lever between half and full position. Open the fuel valve, which is the black lever at the engine, all the way to the right. Move the choke lever, which is the gray lever, all the way to the left for a cold start. This may not be needed if the engine was already running and is warm. Latch both the clutch and stop switch levers for engine starting. These are on the left handle. The top red is the stop switch and the bottom black is the clutch. Use the latch to hold them in place. You are now ready to start the engine. Pull the starter cable gently until you get resistance, then pull rapidly to crank the engine. Once the engine has started, move the choke to the right. When the engine is running, grasp hold of the left handle where the stop switch and clutch are. Hold both to dislodge spring latch, but do not release the red handle unless you are ready to shut down the engine. The red handle must always be pushed down to operate. When you're ready to turn it off, simply let up the red handle and it will activate the ignition stop switch to stop the engine.